Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will back to you with another video. Man, I'm super excited today. Why? Because we have the Galaxy S10 Plus from Verizon. Man, I'm super excited to be unboxing this phone today and showing you the quick setup and my first impressions of the phone. But hey, grab some snacks, grab something to drink, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, so man, obviously, you know, we got the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here, so let's go ahead and get this box open. Of course, you know we got the knife on deck. Let's see what we got here. Yes, sir. The Galaxy S10 Plus. Woo. Go ahead and get rid of this. Of course, there's tape on the box. I have the Prism White version. And that's a popular version. I've been seeing it all over YouTube, all over the net. So I definitely had to get one because I wanted something different. Because with the Note 9 that we got here, of course, that's the ocean blue. So I definitely wanted to get something different. So I got the Prism White. And so that's the S10 box here. And on the inside of the box, if it wants to play nice, at the top of the box, you have here, you have the SIM tool here to be able to take the SIM card and also the SD card out, some books, manuals, and stuff like that. So we'll take a look at that later. But we want to open up and take a look at this magnificent piece of technology we have here, man. And as you can see, take a look at the back. Man, let me tell you something. When you see that shimmer and it starts to change colors on you, you're going to wish you got the Prism White. That's dope. Okay, so I'm going to set this to the side real quick. We have the standard fast charger box. We have the USB-C cable here. We have the actual USB-C to USB-A adapter. Lo and behold, the Galaxy S10 series still comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. And so appreciate that, Samsung, on the AKG Tune headphones. And also, if you pre-ordered the Galaxy S10, any of the Galaxy S10s, it does come with the new earbuds, the in-earbuds that Samsung just launched. So that's definitely pretty cool. So obviously, you know, the first thing that we need to do is take the plastic off. Whew, man, look at that back. Let me tell you something. This is a piece of art. It really is. So what we're going to do is just go through some of the specs, and then we'll go ahead and get this turned on. Again, this is the Prism White version. The Verizon version comes in 6 different colors. This is the Prism White. This phone comes in Prism White, Prism Black, Prism Blue, Flamingo Pink, and this is the 128GB version. There's another version of this phone. It's the higher end version. It's a ceramic white and ceramic black. Those models come in the 512GB variants and also 1TB variants, which also still comes with the ability to expand the storage with the SD card. This particular model starts at $999.99, and then the actual ceramic versions, they start off at $1249.99. So the phones definitely get expensive, but the thing about it is these top of the line flagship devices are still cheaper than your top of the line iPhone devices. So let's just keep that in mind as well. Just talk about some of the specs on the phone. On the front, you have 2 cameras. One is a 10 megapixel camera, and the other camera is the actual depth sensor. And then on the back, it's 3 cameras on the back. You have a 12 megapixel camera, then a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and then you have a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. So this has a total of 5 cameras on the phone, which is amazing. That's definitely a step up when you're talking about technology. The phone comes with the new Snapdragon 855 processor. It's an 8-core processor. It comes with a 6.4-inch Quad HD Super AMOLED screen, 522 pixels per inch. You definitely have what we call is a Powershare charging, so it allows you to be able to charge the phone by sitting another wireless phone, or maybe a Buds or a Galaxy S Watch on the back of the phone. You could be able to charge and share the actual charger. It definitely comes with a 4100 milliamp battery, so you definitely have all-day battery and then some. It comes with advanced LTE. It's actually a lot lighter than what I thought the phone was going to be, especially for a phone as premium as it is. You definitely have the actual the banding going all the way around the side of the phone is made out of the shiny aluminum. So it's definitely, it feels good. It's very lightweight phone, but definitely premium at the same time. All right, so let's go ahead and get the phone turned on for the first time here. And we got the Verizon logo popping up here. And definitely up at the top here where it shows the actual punch out. It's definitely not bad. I actually prefer this over having a notch. So when you're definitely looking at this 6.4 inch screen, man, it goes edge to edge. You have the speaker grill that's here up at the top. You have the 2 stereo speakers, one that's actually built into the speaker, the ear grill, and then at the bottom you also have another one of the actual stereo speakers here. Again, we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C output, and on the side here you have the Bixby button, which can be remapped to do whatever it is that you want it to do, except that it does not do another assistant. You have the volume rocker here, up and down. Then on the side you have the power button that's up here at the top. So now we need to activate the phone.
All right, we're off to a great start. Your phone has been activated.
And now it wants me to put in my email address, so I'm gonna put in that information here. And so if you haven't done this already for your phone, definitely make sure that you set up 2-factor verification. So now I'm going to take my Note 9 and I'm going to verify that that's me signing in using my Google account. So it gave me another option to restore, and I'm not going to restore, but I am going to do this process here. I'm going to go ahead and set up the actual fingerprint. And with this particular phone, and all of the, well, not all of them, out of the 3 phones that were announced by Samsung, 2 of the phones, the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S10 Plus has an in-screen fingerprint sensor called Ultrasonic. But the Galaxy S10e, which is the budget model, has the fingerprint sensor on the actual power button. So we're going to go ahead and set up the fingerprint sensor. And so I've been told that you don't need to press down on it real hard. You just need to put your finger there. So it is telling me to press a little harder. Yep, there it is. And then it gives you the actual percentage. Okay, cool. So to get a full scan, reposition your finger. So it's going to have me reposition my finger to get the edges of my thumb. And it also will let you know which areas that it's looking for. And now it's giving me the option to add another fingerprint, and I'm going to do my left thumb. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done on that. Man, look at that wallpaper. That is pretty dope. So the icons definitely look a little different, even from my Galaxy Note 9 that we have here. On the Galaxy Note 9, actually, the icons look a little bit smaller. Just right off here, I'm going to swipe down from the top here. I am definitely going to go to the settings. I'm going to go to display. And I'm going to click on the screen resolution. By default, it's set on 1080p as far as the resolution. We're going to go ahead and bump that up to the maximum, which is 1440p. And click apply. It's definitely going to drain the battery a little bit more, but I want the full use out of this screen on this phone because it definitely is a high resolution quad HD screen plus screen, HDR10. This right here also has a on-screen display, and so this is always on. And the thing I like about this, I could just glance at the phone and I could catch the time. I could catch whether or not I have any alerts. And all that good stuff, but also it's very faint down at the bottom. It will show you where to place your actual thumb or your finger that you set up, and once you place it there, and boom. So that's amazing, the technology that they have. I do know in the fingerprint scanner that they have is definitely it's based off of sound and vibrations. They call it ultrasonic, and so it's definitely taking pretty much a kind of 3D picture that's coming from sound from your finger, and it's able to scan it and unlock the phone. So put it in the Note 9 and the actual Galaxy S10 Plus side by side. These phones are almost the same size, really. They definitely have the same size screen, and they're about as thin. I don't know, the Galaxy S10 Plus may be a little bit thinner than the Note 9, but I'm definitely going to be doing some comparisons with these two. Looking at the actual the cameras and all that different type of stuff. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. So when you get a chance, definitely go to my YouTube page and subscribe. And definitely, if we click on a video here, so I got the speakers turned up. So I can actually pinch the zoom. So if I zoom in, it takes up the whole screen. And really, you can't really see the punch out right here, but it's there. But I believe once you're watching videos, especially if you're holding the phone like this, it's not going to be an issue for you. So if you're worried about the actual punch out, don't worry. But man, the screen looks great. It's phenomenal. And you can actually go inside the settings and turn up the vividness on here, and we're going to do that real quick. Okay, so another thing we need to do here, if we swipe down from the top and go to settings, if you click on display and then you go to screen mode, you either have the option for natural or vivid. Natural is what it comes set on, but definitely if you want to get all of the true to definition Samsung colors, you're going to click on vivid, and it's definitely going to give you the more saturated color look. All right, so we definitely want to go ahead and open up the camera for the first time, and let's test out a couple of these features. So we got our little prop here. As you can see, that's just your regular picture with the 12 megapixel camera and the wide angle. So you would hit the one that's all the way to the left here. That's a picture looking at the actual wide angle. That's a 16 megapixel wide angle. And then you have your other 12 megapixel camera that's actually going to give you that depth of field. It's going to zoom in. This one that's all the way to the right, that's going to give you your zoom. And pretty much all from the same distance. Those are the three different pictures that you could be able to take. So depending on your situation, depending on where you at, you could definitely be able to have some options and take some real great photos and to catch either a wide scenery background, or definitely be able to just take a regular picture or get a picture that's zoomed in. All right, guys, so another one of the neat features that the Galaxy S10 has is that if you swipe down here from the top, go to the notifications, and if you pull this down, you'll see the option here for wireless Powershare. So if we turn that on, now we have the option to be able to use the phone as a wireless charger. Now, this is only really good for maybe if you have the new Samsung earbuds that are wireless, and the actual case itself is a charger, and you could be able to wirelessly charge your actual buds. Or maybe you have a Galaxy Watch that's also a wireless charge, and you could be able to sit it on the back of the phone. But just to test out this feature, I would not recommend that you use it for this. As you can see, you could charge another wireless device. Boom, and now it's charging. Isn't that something? And also, as you can see, that is a video kind of like wallpaper that's playing on my Galaxy Note 9. I will be doing the same thing for my Galaxy S10. But man, this is an amazing piece of technology. So that's just some of the features of the Galaxy S10 Plus. Again, I hope you had a chance to be able to order you one. If you got your pre-order in, again, I pre-ordered this. It's definitely going to come with some Galaxy Buds. I can't wait to go ahead and put that claim in to be able to receive those. The phone, the Galaxy S10, today is March the 7th. So the Galaxy S10 Plus, well, the whole series is actually being released tomorrow on March the 8th. So that's going to be the Galaxy S10e, which is your budget model, your regular Galaxy S10, and then the Galaxy S10 Plus, which is what we have here. It's all going to be released tomorrow. So definitely hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know if you are going to be switching from Apple. I carry two phones, so just let me know. Definitely, if you want to be able to see more comparisons between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S10, definitely let me know down in the comments. And I definitely got some more great videos coming, some great content coming, and a full review on this phone here. Man, seeing all these cool features for the first time on this phone, it's amazing. And that Prism White, man, let me tell you something. I can't wait to be able to dive in, do some comparison videos, camera tests, and all that good stuff on this phone. But man, just stay tuned. I'm definitely looking forward to some of the great content we're going to have coming up using this phone. And definitely don't forget to hit like, don't forget to hit subscribe, and hit the bell so you receive all my notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.